Hi, my name's Natalia. I'm a London-based model. I also do a bit of fashion design and styling as well. Come on in. After a long day, I just like to have a nice relaxing bath, have some candles, unwind, get rid of the stress of the day. And I always have some strawberries to balance it out. While I'm in the bath, I like to have a little read, something inspirational, positive, just little fulfilling quotes. Sometimes I just open it and see what's the message I'm going to get for today. I'm looking forward to using my Smoothing Shampoo tonight. Goes in really nicely, it's not too heavy. It's got a lovely fragrance and it's really nice to wash out. It's not too suddy, leaves your hair nice and clean and fresh. And then I like to follow it up with the Soothing Conditioner. I usually leave that in for about 5 minutes while I'm soaking in the bath. And it's just lovely to wash out. It leaves your hair feeling really nice and light and nourished, especially if I'm leaving it curly. It's still got a nice bounce to it, so I really love it. I have very busy days on shoots and things like that. I'm a full-time mum to 3 children, so life can get pretty hectic, and more importantly, I have to look after my health. General day-to-day, I have quite early starts, so I've still got I don't do the school run, but I have to make sure he's up and out and everything's okay. And then I usually get on to some orders on the sewing machine and check the admin. So once my day starts, it's pretty much full on admin, phone calls and just meetings and bookings. So yeah, it's very important for me to make sure I unwind, just to help with the overload. Chill out, a bit of mindfulness and just shut the world out for a little bit.